Yo, what is going on everybody? Burger Creations back here with another video. And before we get started, I want to make one announcement. Guys, I am excited to announce that my Etsy shop will reopen next Friday on February 5th. I'm excited to share all the things that I've been working on this past month for you guys. We got a lot of cool products, redesigned some old ones, but overall I think it's going to be a banger of a product launch and I can't wait to get it to you guys. Make sure you guys follow along by following me on Instagram and also checking out my Etsy shop at etsy.com/shop/burgercreations and like that shop to get any notifications or updates. Hope you guys are just as excited as me. Now back to your regular video. So I know you guys absolutely love the top 5 useful prints video and I wanted to make another one for you guys. So I came up with this idea of doing the top prints of the month. So how this video works is I go to Thingiverse.com and filter by the most popular prints in the last 30 days. I scroll through all the pages to find just top prints that I think you guys will enjoy and that I think are cool themselves. I can't wait to share with you guys the prints I got because I think some of them were honestly really sick and I'm going to use personally myself. So without further ado, let's get into the top prints of January 2021. Alright, so the first print I got for you guys is a replica scale of Hogwarts. And this thing is so freaking cool. So this is thing 4713137. And I did scale this down a bit because I wanted to do a smaller print and also didn't want to use up all of my filament just to print this thing of Hogwarts. But this thing is absolutely incredible. There's so much detail in this print and it just looks absolutely thick. As you can see, it has all the buildings from Hogwarts and all around. Now I'm personally not a huge fan of Harry Potter. I've never actually seen the Harry Potter series, but I know tons of people who absolutely love Harry Potter's and would absolutely love this model. I just thought this was a super cool thing, especially because it put the entire Hogwarts into this small scale format and it just looks sick. It even has a small Hogwarts plaque right in the front. It's a little hard to see because of how small I printed it, but if you print it to scale, it's a lot clearer and it looks amazing. I think any Hogwarts fans, or really any Harry Potter fans overall, would absolutely love this print and would love to receive this as a gift. It's something really cool that can be put on a shelf, on your desk, really just anything in general. It's pretty awesome. So next up, I got a little bit more of a gag kind of print, and that is this Baby Yoda head. So this Baby Yoda head actually attaches to toothpaste, and when you squeeze the toothpaste, it looks like Baby Yoda is vomiting. So this is thing number 4706489, and it's just something that's absolutely hilarious. I know I've seen on TikTok and Instagram different 3D prints of things putting on toothpaste and making it come out, and I just thought this was great because it's hilarious. Now obviously I wouldn't actually use this with your toothpaste. I wouldn't brush your teeth after you actually push it through because it might have bits of plastic in it, but it's something that's just hilarious and looks kind of funny. This would be a great gag gift in my opinion to anybody, or just a kind of a funny thing to have to show off to your friends. It's such a simple print and it's such a simple thing to use, and it just looks, honestly, it looks really nicely detailed. For such a small print and such a little gag thing, it really has nice facial features and really does look like Baby Yoda. And again, the vomiting thing, it just looks hilarious. It is a bit of a pain to clean after you do it, but anyway, it's all for fun and it's just a print that I thought you guys would love to enjoy. So my other print that I have for you guys is more specifically for people with 3D printers and a little bit more of a practical print, and that is this nozzle case. Nozzle case is just a nice little case that you can kind of put all your different size nozzles. So it has slots for 0.2 millimeters, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8 and 1.0. 0.4, so I probably would modify this case a little bit to house more 0.4 than the other one, but nevertheless this thing probably is very easy to modify, but it's also just something really nice and practical. The lid closes nicely. I did break off the actual tip to lock it, but when it was locked it was perfectly fine and held my nozzle heads in place. This print was really easy to do as everything was print in place and you just take it off the printer and go. It's something that's really easy to print, really easy to use, and it's also something extremely useful that I thought you guys would absolutely love. Now my next print for you guys that I got that I thought was honestly looked extremely cool was this rocket ship. So this rocket ship with this the fire tail, it is actually 2 prints. So for the rocket ship itself, it is Thing 4700965, and then the cloud or the smoke behind it is 4715125. Now this print honestly just looks amazing. You can print it all in different parts. That's why I was able to get the different gray with the red, and I think it just looks beautiful. It's something that looks amazing. It's easy to print. Doesn't take that long, and it will be perfect for either a gift or put on your shelf or anything. It's a really nice looking print, especially if you paint up the fire tail underneath or paint up the top to make it look more like a real rocket or anything. But honestly, you could literally print it just like how I did, and I would be perfectly happy displaying it. It's a really nice looking print, and I just thought it just caught my eye and was something I definitely had to show you guys. So last up is probably my favorite print of the entire video, and it is this headphone stand. So this is a Mandalorian headphone stand with the words "This is the way" around it, and this thing is just absolutely sick. The design is honestly beautiful, and it fits the headphones so well. It fits in with any Star Wars setup, or really anything. I mean, if you can print it in straight gray or go crazy with the colors and paint it, I decided to keep it gray, and it looks awesome on my setup. This is one of the prints. It's easy to print. It comes in 2 parts, one with the top head and one with the bottom head, and it just slides right underneath. It's really nice and stable, it's strong, and it's just a great print overall. I mean, no matter what, this thing has to be one of my favorite prints, and it's something that I'm definitely going to use in my setup for many years to come. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what your favorite print is. If you're looking forward to more of these videos, let me know down in the comments below. Make sure you slap a like on this video and subscribe for more. Also follow me on Instagram to get any updates about the channel and also some more 3D printing content. Enjoy the rest of your day guys, and that's been it. Peace.